चलो आ जाओ पीछे बात कर It's going like this, so I can't walk. To my left. Oh, actually, circle basically. It's a circle only. What circle? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you don't do that. Oh, putting on the back. Ready? Circle. ठीक बोलिए तो आधा टाउन में क्यों नहीं गिर गई नहीं थोड़ा ले ठीक फिर थोड़ा आगे आइए
आधा टर्न
After 1, 2, turn here.
What is the story that Badal is trying to narrate?
Badal is trying to narrate the story about a terrorist. And I'm asked not to tell you more than this. I just spoke to my director, Mr. Raj Kawar, and he asked me not to tell you all about the story. I think maybe he wants to tell you all.
We've already spoken to him.
You already spoken to him. Did he say anything?
Well, he spoke about it's about a real life issue that happened in 1994, 1984. Sorry.
Yeah.
Could you just elaborate a little bit on that?
I can't because he just told me not to. Sorry.
Can you tell us a little bit about your character? What was it about the script that made you sign this film?
I basically like the subject of Badal. And the producer who's doing the film, he's the person who's given me my first break. So I give him that much liberty to sign me on without me asking him any questions about the film. But luckily the film has shaped up very good. And the subject is interesting because it talks about this real life character, about how this person became a terrorist and why people become terrorists. The basic idea is that nobody is born a terrorist. Nobody is born doing any crime. It's just that circumstances, social issues, people make him a terrorist or make him do criminal activities. He's not born having the negative traits. So basically it revolves around that.
So are you playing a romantic role in this film?
Yeah, I'm playing the romantic lead. And there's hardly anything much to do in the romantic lead. Like it's what a usual heroine does in a action film.
How is it different from the role that you played in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai or the other films that you've done? What was more challenging about this?
All the films that I'm doing right now are all my roles in all these films are different. Whatever films that I'm playing right now, as on which I've signed, which I'm acting in, my roles are different in all of them. So this also again becomes a little different because the story is not similar, the characterization is not similar. I'm playing a different character here with the way I talk, the way I behave is different from how I behave in other films. Here I'm very talkative. I'm a big pile-on in this film. I'm always piling on to Bobby. So that's my character. Mayuri is getting married. So it's a mehendi going on. And I just come and I'm dancing in the mehndi, and in the fast forward, I think of Bobby dancing with me. So that's the song all about.
Ready? Music.
सर एक बॉबी का थोड़ा नहीं, उससे पहले एक
Kanwal, could you just tell us about the storyline of this movie, Badal?
Badal basically is a emotional, dramatic action film, but it's too early to say about the story.
No, generally, just the general outline of this movie. You don't have to go into detail.
It's based on a terrorism, and a terrorist become a soldier. The theme of the film.
Tell us about your casting. Why did you choose Bobby Deol and Rani Mukherjee?
बिकॉज जो करेक्टर है फिल्म के अंदर बादल, जब ये फिल्म मैंने लिखी थी तो इससे बेसिकली 1984 के जो राइट्स हुए हैं जो पंजाब दिल्ली में, वहाँ से इस कहानी ने जन्म लिया। तो बॉबी का जो चेहरा है, उसकी मासूमियत, इमोशनली जो कैच करने की कोशिश की है इन एक्शन, तो बॉबी को सूट करता था ये रोल। और मेरी दिली ख्वाहिश थी कि एक अलग सी फिल्म में बॉबी को दूं।
और रानी मुखर्जी?
रानी मुखर्जी, इसकी फिल्म देखी कुछ कुछ होता है और उसके बाद उसको बोला गया तो शी हर्ड द लाइन, शी लाइक द स्टोरी लाइन।
How happy are you with the performance of Ashutosh Rana in this movie?
Amrish Puri Saab is playing positive role in this film, and Ashutosh Rana is playing main villain. And इंडस्ट्री को एक बहुत बड़ा गिफ्ट है एज ए विलन आशुतोष राणा। उसके साथ काम करने के बाद ये लगा मुझे, एंड उसने जो मेरा कैरेक्टर है फिल्म के अंदर, जैसे DIG, बहुत अच्छा निभाया है और बहुत अच्छा किया है।
एक में निकाल लेते ना, बहुत बैठे ऑफ करो पहले।
Thank you.